Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to see you once again.
It was a good tree. His name was Sadness, but it was still a good tree.
How are you feeling about the death of Sadness the tree?
I really can't find words to describe my sadness.
What about you, Miss?
This tree is really hard for me. She's been here since we moved, and it's just kind of hard because she's been here for a while, and
He's stabbing her in the background.
I smile when I get nervous, so that is why I'm smiling. And it's really hard to just look out the window and see it happen.
That was riveting.
We love you, Sadness.
Love you, sadness.
The sounds of sadness.